Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to remove the sound of a video from CapCut. If this helps you out, please don't forget to subscribe down below and like the video. It helps us a lot and it also helps other people find our channel. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to CapCut and we're going to import a video. So I'm going to select a video right here and I'm going to import it. Now, as you can see, this video does have a lot of background noise. Let's say I want to remove all that noise because I want to do a voiceover or I just simply don't want that noise. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select mute clip audio. It's going to be right here and that will automatically mute the video. Now, another option you have is to select the video and at the bottom you're going to see volume and you can bring it down to 0 and that would also mute your video. And that's it. Now you can add subtitles, a voiceover, music to your video, and it's that simple. Hope this helped.